Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Nuova Simonelli Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a bit of work as we had to replace the heating element of this machine, this one that you see right here. Unfortunately, it was really rough to actually do it because you need to disassemble the entire machine. Once you remove these screws on the top, you basically can remove the cover and inspect the machine. But if you want to work on the machine, you have to go underneath, remove the screws from there, and then flip the entire thing. And once you have the machine like that, everything's going to be wobbled, so it's really hard to really move around. But once you have all the panels in there, it's also a little tricky, but we were able to do that, replace the heating element of this machine. As you can see, this one is not looking very good, so definitely need to be replaced. We also replace the water pump of this machine as well, and we were about to do a tune-up, but unfortunately we didn't do it. We didn't touch anything on the group head. We just touched the heating element and the water pump of this machine. Other thing that this machine was having is that the water time was not getting detected. So we fixed that, and as you can see, definitely water comes out from the group head. The machine is definitely detecting the water, and yeah, let's put a shot. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine, and then we're gonna be using the steam. Now hopefully I pick up the right grind size on this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, thankfully I did pick up the right grind size on this machine. Excellent shot of espresso coming out of that portafilter. Excellent crema as well. Really great shot of espresso. Excellent crema, working great. As you can see, the shower flow coming out from the group head is a nice steady stream coming out of it. Gentle stream, that's what you want to see. And we're gonna be testing out the pressure. As you can see, definitely working. Excellent steam pressure coming out of this machine. Working excellent. So there you have it, Nuova Simonelli working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.